welcome back to our channel. Today I'm making a pot roast for the family. So what I'm doing right now, I am browning just a little bit. I season it with pepper, salt, and put a little bit of flour just to get some of the gravy, which I will do later on. Already put in one pot already, well, three pieces. So I'm probably doing this differently than everybody else, but this is how I like it and how my family likes it. This is puck roast. I got two different pounds, and I just cut it up so it can fit in the pan. I usually brown it for about maybe 5-6 minutes on each side, and then I will show you more on how I do it. Okay, stay tuned. So I am browning the last piece of the puck roast, and what I did, I started in browning front and back, and then all of the sides. I like that extra in it, and I put a little bit of flour in it just to get more of that grease, which I'll show you here in a little bit. I'm gonna turn this down or off, and I'm gonna put it back in the pot, and I will add more stuff, and I'll get back to you soon. I do not have my cameraman today, so it's just me today. But I just wanted to give you guys just a little thing. So how do you guys do your roast? I like to flip it every few minutes just to get all the sides brown. I know a lot of people do things differently, but this is how I do it, and my family loves it. So let me know how you guys make your pot roast. Okay, Daddy, how much bouillon to put in the hot water?
Almost about tablespoon.
A tablespoon?
Yeah.
And what kind is that? Beef, right?
Beef bouillon.
Okay. Ladies and gents, I got my famous Daddy helping me. He doesn't want to be on camera. It's alright. And then we are going to add this to the water. Is that 1/4 cup of water?
Yeah.
All right. So that's what it should look like. Medium heat or high heat, right?
And to this start boiling.
Okay.
When it start boiling, you just put it to low, medium low.
Medium low. You hear that, guys? Medium low. After it boils. Okay. I'll catch you guys in a few hours. Hey guys. So this is just barely 10 minutes. It's already boiling, and I had already put this back to medium low. So because it's already boiling, and oh my god, it smells so good. So this is some of what I have for the pot roast. Let me know what you guys do for your pot roast or make with it. Right now, I just cut the onions in half so I can cut it up. I am putting some carrots, celery, and don't worry about the gravy, y'all. I'm about to put that soon. But I'll show you guys here in a little bit. Pops is taking a break, which we will be back soon. I just wanted to show you, like, oh my god, look at that steam. It smells so good. So all I did is just a little bit of black pepper, salt, and I'll be adding some garlic and everything else here in a few minutes. I just wanted to get the meat and stuff. I like to brown all sides and stuff. Look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful. Alright guys, still not gonna tell you try it. I know everybody has or does things differently. let me know how you guys make your pot roast, or how do you guys start it, or what do you guys season it with. All right, catch you guys back in a little bit. Smelling delish. Okay, all right guys, we're gonna be pouring the onions and garlic all in there. Thank you. Look how amazing that looks.
And then with the carrots.
And
celery.
the celery. Thank you. Hey Daddy, how does it smell? Does it smell good?
Oh yeah, really good.
Thank you.
The red potatoes.
Yep, add them all. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Nice doing business with you. Alright guys. So we're just gonna go ahead and let it simmer, and we will get back to you guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Yummy, 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 yummy. We'll check back in about 2 hours. Okay guys, so I got these little red potatoes. They are washed and they are cut quarter size, good size. There's about 10 little potatoes. I got a big family to feed, so you guys can, you know, if you guys want little or small, you guys can have like 5 or 6 potatoes depending on how big your families are, or if you guys like potatoes or not. And then the carrots, you know, these might be a little bit too big, so I might cut them a little bit more in half. They are washed, and oh yeah, I'll probably cut these in half again. So yeah, so this is so far I got the carrots, the potatoes, and now I'm about to cut the onions and the celery. And let me go, we got the cover. Let me see how it's looking. Ooh, you see the steam coming out? And look how pretty. Look how pretty, guys. All right, we'll check back in a little bit. And hellos, the magic of the camera. So, OMG, I just put a little bit in the plate. There's the carrots, the potatoes, and the meat. I put a little bit on plate so we can taste it. And then that's my honey cornbread. The edges, it's okay. It's a little crisp, just like how I like it. You may not like it, but that's okay. But yes, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm about to ask my Papa Bear to see if he wants to, where did he go? I will, well, let's see if he likes it. I'm gonna go find him and I will come back. How is it?
Very good.
Yeah. Yay. So he loves it. How's the potatoes?
Good.
All right. This little boy. He's always staring. You're not getting no food. Nope, you're not getting that.
Your food's at 5. How is it?
Good.
That's the honey cornbread. Is it good?
Yes.
All right. All right, guys. This is good. Signing off. Link down below if you guys have ever made roast beef and what did you guys put in it and stuff, and how do you guys normally I would put mashed potatoes, but today I didn't feel like it. So what do you guys serve with it? All right, catch you guys later. Bye.